Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by picking the right file and app. Choose an MP4 or WebM that's optimized for desktop resolution, so scaling is minimal. Once chosen, install a background video tool such as VLC, Wallpaper Engine, or Deskscapes. Each sets video as wallpaper differently. While installing, make sure to close other heavy programs. Your PC should stay awake during configuration. This reduces hiccups and ensures the video will play smoothly when you start assigning it. Now you'll import the video into the app and apply it to the desktop. In Wallpaper Engine or VLC, choose the file and select Set as Wallpaper or Play on Desktop. This attaches the video to the desktop layer. Next, configure loop behavior and mute audio if you don't want sound. Make sure to set scaling, cropped, fit, or stretch. Choose cropped or fit to preserve aspect ratio. These choices control how the video fills multiple monitors and prevent visual distortion. Finish by saving the wallpaper profile and testing it across your displays. Once done, lock settings so accidental changes don't revert the background. If performance issues appear, reduce video resolution, set playback to 30 frames per second, and enable hardware decoding to lower CPU usage. Make sure audio is muted or routed correctly. If you hear unwanted sound, mute the wallpaper app or change its output device. If the video won't stay, check startup permissions so the app launches with Windows and restores the wallpaper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.